Yo guys, another beast mode exercise is coming up, and today we are training abs from home. A lot of you guys are asking me for home workouts, and today I will be doing something totally new. I haven't done that before. Let's see if you guys like it. You will be able to follow along on my abs workout. This is the session I would use when I don't have the time to smash my abs up in the gym. I would do it at home. I would have this in the morning as a routine. It's 8 minutes, 4 exercises, 30 seconds per exercise, no rest in between, guys. And guys, if you like it, let me know in the comments, because I will be doing more of those follow along workouts. Let's see, guys, trying new things out. We're learning as we go. Let's go. All right, guys, so the 4 exercises we will be doing is number 1, crunches, 2nd, leg raises, 3rd, mountain climbers, and the last one, a plank. So number 1, the crunches. Hands on your knees, elbows extended. And now head touching the floor, and you trying to touch as far behind your knee as possible while breathing out. The breathing is crucial. This is about abs work. This is not about explosivity. So control movements. Movement number 2, leg raises. Hands in under your ass to protect your spine. Now your head is elevated. You are looking in front. Why? Because then you keep attention on the upper abs as well. Legs extended, feet forward, and lifting, and lifting. And exercise number 3, mountain climbers. You want to have your body over your hands as much as possible. This puts you in a position where you can reach higher up with the knee. So knee actually touching the chest. Squeeze, squeeze. This, serious, is not about how many reps you do. We are working 4 times, so don't worry about the reps. Make every rep count. And the last one, the 4th exercise, is the plank. Now, how do you get into a plank position? You have to get your hips tilted inward, so you're tensing the abs. And that is how you are staying for the whole time we are doing the plank. Let's get cracking. 8 minutes, 30 seconds per exercise. Change directly into next one. There is no rest for these 8 minutes. We just keep smashing until we're done. All right, guys, time to suffer. 3, 2, 1, let's roll. Focus on the breathing, guys. Breathe and tense your abs. And believe me, the first round, it does feel cute. Trust me, it won't feel as cute in the second. And by the 4th round, ain't nothing cute about nothing. It's pure pain. Focus on keeping the abs tight on the way down. Your legs straight, your toes pointing forward. Don't bend nowhere. And in your head, think about the abs. They should be working, they should be tensed. And don't worry, like I said, if you're not in pain on the 1st round, enjoy it. Because the 2nd, you will start feeling. The 3rd, you will want to give up. And the 4th, then you're just a monster. And depending how good you are in mind-muscle connection on the abs, I feel it already burning. And this is the only rest you get. Focus still on tension, but this is as close to rest as you get in this session, guys. Woo! And switch time, directly back into crunches again. And don't worry, if the reps don't look perfect on the second as they did in the first, That's totally normal. You're getting tired. But every round, you make sure to do as good as you possibly can. Woo! Whoa! And now is the head game. Now your head starts talking to you, hey, maybe you should take a rest. But we don't do that shit. We work. Woo! And if you're feeling for quitting, guys, believe me, I also do. But what we do is we finish what we started. Never quit. Woo! Ah, abs are on fucking fire, guys. If not every single one of you gets a six-pack after this, I kill you. Woo! Easy! Enjoying it yet? Given up? Or you still here? Woo! All right, guys. 2.5 rounds done. Let's go. It's further, it's closer to the end than we were at the beginning, but it's still not the end. We still gotta suffer some more. Whew, damn. Last round, guys. Woo! Woo! That burn is real. Let's go, warriors. Building warrior plates. Let's go, guys. 2 more exercises to go, come on. This is where it counts. Fucking hell, how long can 30 seconds fucking be? Woo! Woo! Well done, guys. I guarantee you, this, if you do this 3 to 5 times a week, in a week your abs starts popping. This is no easy round, but we are not here for be easy. We're here to be fucking hard. Let's go, guys. Time to build a man.